Hello everyone, this is my first vlog and I'm traveling to Nepal with my friend Steve. We're currently at Morwadi station. We're representing India in a 3 versus 3 and Pana competition, and we'll be heading to Pune station next. The civil court station was absolutely crazy. After some time we reached to Pune station and the train arrived, but it was extremely crowded with people from UP fighting for seats. Fortunately, our seats were reserved.
Nike.
The view was extremely good in the evening, and this is the next day a man arrived, and you won't believe what happened next. Watch the vlog, you will understand. I tried to give him a 1 rupees coin, but he didn't take the coin. He was asking for the currency notes. And then we reached to Gorakhpur station, and the train experience was extremely crazy. Not good enough. And stay tuned for the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.